In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gamma A for portfolio. Start by opening the Gamma website and choosing Generate with AI. This is the fastest way to build a professional portfolio without starting from a blank page. In the prompt box, paste a clear instruction so the AI knows exactly what to produce. For example, create a professional portfolio for a virtual assistant specializing in social media management, YouTube content, and admin support. Include sections for introduction, services, experience, tools, portfolio samples, and contact details. You can keep that wording as is or adjust keywords to better match your niche. When Gamma generates the draft, review the structure it creates. You should see a cover page, about me, services, experience, tools, portfolio samples, and contact. Make sure these sections fit your goals. If you serve a specific industry or platform, rename titles so they feel tailored, like changing services to social media services or YouTube management, so your offer is instantly clear. Next, customize the content to make it personal and client-focused. Add your name and professional headline and highlight your roles such as virtual assistant, social media manager, or financial advisor if that applies. In your introduction, speak to outcomes, not just tasks. A simple line like, I help businesses grow their online presence through strategic content and automation, sets the right tone. Use concise bullet-aligned sentences in the editor, but keep the slide layouts clean and skimmable. Add portfolio samples to showcase real work. Create slides or cards for YouTube channels you manage, social media posts you've created, and any standout graphics or campaigns. Include short descriptions with context and results, and add screenshots or links where appropriate. Be sure you have permission to share client work and blur or remove any sensitive information. List the tools you use so clients see your workflow at a glance. Common examples include Canva for design, CapCut for video editing, Google Docs for content drafting and collaboration, and Loom for process walkthroughs and quick video updates. Polish the design with consistent branding. Choose a clean theme, stick to neutral colors like black, white, or beige, and use matching fonts for headings and body text. Keep layouts minimal and readable, with enough white space to prevent clutter. Wrap up with a clear call to action on the last slide. A simple, let's work together, works well, followed by your preferred contact method and a booking link if you use one. Finally, click share, copy your link and send it to prospective clients, attach it to job applications, and post it on platforms like Facebook or LinkedIn. Before sending, preview the link on mobile and desktop to ensure everything looks polished.